Imagine a world where nature reclaims cities, concrete replaced by roots, glass towers swallowed by forests that never stop growing. This reversal of civilization begins quietly, seeds sprouting from cracks, birds nesting inside steel, and roots pushing through pavement. Abandoned architecture becomes new terrain. Apartments turn into cliffs for ferns, and elevators into vertical gardens of moss. Animals return too. Foxes den in subway tunnels, parrots nest in rooftops, and rivers reshape once buried highways. Over decades, concrete becomes soil. Skyscrapers turn to stone skeletons draped in ferns, and city lights fade into bioluminescent fungi. The ecosystem balances itself, blending human-made geometry with wild biology, until both become indistinguishable landscapes. In the end, nature does not destroy the city, it absorbs it, rewriting human legacy into green chapters of endless renewal.